Hello class, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at types of fraction. Like I said, professors, I believe we did well the last time. I have not been able to look at our comments, but definitely I will look at the comments and answer your questions very soon. We're looking at types of fraction. Fraction is made up of numerator and a denominator in some cases, or whole number and numerator and denominator, or a whole number and a decimal number. We have what called the types of fractions. We have proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction that has a numerator that is less than the denominator. That is a numerator less than denominator, e.g. 3 less than 5. In fraction form, 3 over 5. Example, you have a car that is built for 4 passengers, carried 3 passengers, is said to have undergo a proper fraction, that is 3 over 4. Then an improper fraction is a fraction that has a numerator greater than the denominator. That is numerator greater than denominator, as you can see there, e.g. 5 greater than 3. In fraction form, 5 over 3. Example, a car that is built for 13 passengers carried 16 passengers is said to have undergo an improper fraction, that's 16 over 13. Then we have a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a fraction that has a whole number and with a proper fraction. I repeat, a mixed fraction is a fraction that has a whole number with a proper fraction, e.g. 3 whole number, 2 over 5. 2 over 5 there is a proper fraction. 3 is a whole number. You can see that 3 is a whole number there. Then decimal fraction. Decimal fraction is a fraction that has a whole number with a decimal point and a decimal part. You can see this 3 here is a whole number, then the point here is a decimal point. This other part is what called the decimal part. I hope we are following. Then let's just go back to what we have been doing since. You will see from what we have done, this sign here is the, look at it carefully. Yes, this sign here is less than. So when a number at the top is always smaller than the number at the bottom, it is regarded as a proper fraction. Then, like you saw in our example here, that a car that is built for 4 passengers carried 3 passengers is said to have undergone a proper fraction, that's 3 over 4. In some cases, you will find out that this proper fraction helps to make your car to stay longer. The wear and tear of your car will continue. It won't wear off immediately, but at times we overload our cars, especially in Africa. You would have understood recently, especially in Nigeria, some places like Lagos, Akwa Ibom, even in Delta, there are issues where buildings are collapsing. It's as a result of an improper fraction. The weight that is carrying the load is not equal to the load is carrying, is under carrying. You cannot say a 2-year-old boy should carry a 50-year-old man, except it's a superpower shy, like in Superman, like we see in our scientific movies. But this is not scientific movie. So when you are building a house, it should be a proper fraction. The fraction, what is at the base, should be able to withstand the body. If the foundation is not enough, the whole building will collapse. So that is all. So by the next class we'll be looking at, before we go into practical examples, we'll be looking at the effects of proper fraction against the effects of improper fraction, how it affects us as individuals in our daily life. See you next class. Hope you are making sense. Hope the class is helping you. God bless you. See you. This is Teacher Stephen. Remain